Hello my friends, this is Zeitgenosse who's speaking. Today I want to show you my new tray guide. Okay, it's not new, it's used. The tray guide was only produced for the Marlboro company. It belongs to the Marlboro Unlimited series. Here you can see it's plus scales. And it's a 3-layer knife. There is the main blade. There are some scratches. I think I have to remove this. And we have the combo tool. The scissor in the third layer here, and in the middle layer we have the nail file. It's very slim, a very slim knife. I think it's a very good tool design. Very useful tools for a slim knife, and only available in the Unlimited Marlboro series. Yes, thanks for watching and enjoy my other films. Thank you.